Like a waterfall chaser, I headed out to Mansfield, Quebec to discover the amazing Coulonge Chutes. This impressive 42 meters waterfall of the Coulonge River cuts through the rocks to land in a gorge of rapid waters. It is also surrounded by top hills where avid explorers practice climbing via ferrata. The waterfalls and gorge of the Coulonge River enjoy substantial popularity among tourists, hikers, and cyclists. The falls are located in a historical park where you can also find a 100 meters long cement log slide and several fun activities for kids and youngsters. The park offers hiking trails with amazing views and interpretation panels. At the beginning of the 19th century, early forestry operations pushed tall white pines down into the Outaouais River, destined to be sold near the Canadian Parliament buildings and exported to England. Timber from the area played a large part in the construction of cities along the American East Coast, including Boston and New York City. The Coulonge River and the log slide remained in use for log drives until 1982. The site became a public park in 1985. There are several lookouts to view the falls, the river, and the gorge along the hiking trails. This amazing park is a great destination for the family not to be missed. A log museum showcases the former business activity of the area with a collection of artifacts and photographs. The Via Ferrata, located in the canyon of the Coulonge River, consists of a climb along the canyon's rock face, using cables and anchor points to help you progress along the way. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.